Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 1 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Firstly, just open Settings. Now you need to click on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. From here, click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service or choose Add Service. Download the best one for you. I will go with HP1 for example. Go back and click on it over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Print Service if it's not already on, and now your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!